Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to my channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip, and if you are here for the first time, please make sure that you do not leave without subscribing. Guys, I bought a mic. I finally bought a mic. So Jay, this is my first time using this mic. I just want to test it. I hope it works. I hope ibambile, because sana I am going to be looking like a fool holding this mic like this, and then I bambanga is sound. Can you guys imagine that? But I'm really excited. At least now I will improve on the sound. When it comes to the quality, sana, I don't know when I will improve the quality, but as long as you can see my face, it's fine. It's fine, just it sound, it's the most important thing. I will buy an iPhone, I don't know, masikhona bo iPhone 74 masihamba ngepetrol zobe khani ngithenga iPhone. Anyway, asikho lapho guys. Makhumalo, how many times did I call your name? Makhumalo is claiming that Musa Mseleku does not love Usamke. She is claiming that she said that Musa Mseleku said in a conversation where they were talking, yena uMakhumalo no Musa Mseleku. So girl said ukuthi how I was having a conversation with Musa Mseleku, and Musa said that she does not love Usamke. She is just there to be making babies. And then my mind started replaying the scenes lapho Usamke was with Musa Mseleku. Guys, there's a time where they were having a conversation. They were out for lunch, Musa Mseleku, Usamke, and their child, Usamke was like, when she was calling him Muntwami, Ukai was like, oh, my man. Ukai was like, don't call me your man. I ain't your man, And then I'm thinking, is Makhumalo telling the truth? Vele ukuthi Musa Mseleku does not love Usamke. And then there's a scene also where Usamke was like, can you please give me some money? Musa Mseleku wavele wakhipha 100 rand, what? Like, make it make sense, And then also for Makhumalo to be saying such things, guys, I'm just confused. Why would Musa Mseleku tell Makhumalo these things? And also, I believe it could be true that Musa Mseleku said what Makhumalo is saying ushilo, because this guy will tell you what you want to hear. One thing about Musa Mseleku, he will tell you what you want to hear, and then you will start believing it. Kanti uyakududuza sana yena, he knows the truth enhlizweni yakhe, So nje, this thing is just contradicting everything. He is doing this and saying this, and Makhumalo is saying these things just nje to console herself, because she was mad ukuthi Musa Mseleku took someone from her village, I would also be mad, like, you guys saw me on television, saw me with this person, and then now you are taking my husband. Okay, not taking, but marrying my husband. I would also be so confused, guys. Please excuse the background noise. Hey sana, sizele asikhona ukuzihenga, yazi asikhona ukuzihenga. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of today's topic. I will see you on my next one. Bye.